I started jiu-jitsu when no one is doing jiu-jitsu in my part of the country. So I was a judo black belt then. Then I went to seminar of some jiu-jitsu professors in the early 2000s, and I fell in love with it. I started a program like reaching out to the out of school youth and like doing pro bono teaching like that. And then I started the Blind Samurai Jiu Jitsu. I started teaching 18 blind kids. Now they're grown ups. We won overall champion in a regular tournament. We defeated all the sighted people. I'm a pastor. I'm pastoring a church, small church, and doing jujitsu. Just opened my academy October 15th this year. I'm here to learn. I want to learn from all of you. Actually, during the pandemic, I thought I gave up. I don't want to do jujitsu anymore because I was stuck at brown belt for 8 years. July 1st this year, he gave me my black belt. So 8 years as a brown belt. I will not forsake the other things or the ministry that I'm doing, jujitsu for a cause. But I'm also planning to start an academy for everybody, not just for the out of school youth and the blind people. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm excited to learn.